The Jamaica Constabulary Force has announced a major multi-agency operation, which led to the thwarting of a plot to murder 3 women in western Jamaica. The police, acting on intelligence, conducted multiple raids on Thursday, December 23rd, where several people were taken into custody.
As the police intensify its operation against organized crime, on Thursday, the 23rd of December 2021, based on police investigation and intelligence, several operations were conducted between 8:30 p.m. and 8:30 a.m. and 9 p.m. During the operation, premises located at number 4 and 6 Bricknell Terrace, Charlton, Kingston 8 was searched, and a male, Matthew McIntosh, 25 years old, and a female, Tia Simmet, teacher, were taken into custody. 1 American tactical hybrid rifle, along with 30 5.56 caliber rounds, were seized. 3 red and black police cloth vests bearing police regulation numbers, 1 police uniform shirt, 2 police uniform pants, 1 ballistic vest bearing police regulation number, 4 motor vehicle license plates, and 2 pairs of handcuffs were seized at the premises. Further search was done, which led to the recovery of 3 Glock 17 magazines with 2 9mm cartridges, 1 Glock 19 cartridge, 1 plastic M16 magazine, 18.38 spent casings, 3 outside gun holsters, and 1 inside gun holster and firearm cleaning kit. The police continue its investigation, and based on intelligence received, a red Toyota Yaris motor car was intercepted along Washington Boulevard, where Andrew Wright, 28 years old, district constable, attached to the Technical Services Division of the JCF, along with Adrian Graham, OC Shaba, of 19 Garden Terrace, Kingston 20, and Aaron Brown, OC JJ. He is 23 years old, of Bowerbank and Building 10, Flat Edge Tavern Garden, Kingston 11, were arrested. District Constable Wright was found with an illegal Glock 26 pistol loaded with 11 9mm rounds. The motor car was seized, and all 3 persons taken into custody and charged and arrested with illegal possession of firearms. Several other operational activity took place in the course of the day, and 1 Cavern Green of 7 Worksworth Avenue, Kingston 20, was held, and a Glock magazine containing 17 9mm rounds found. His premises was also searched. The team further went to 45 Eric Avenue, Kingston 20, where an operation was conducted. 1 Michael Harris was held, and 34 5.56 cartridges and 6 9mm cartridges, along with a police forage cap, found at his premises. He was also taken into custody. All 7 persons were arrested and placed in custody. I want to point out that the car that was intercepted was based on investigation and intelligence into an alleged contract killing, where contract was placed on the head of 3 females living in the western part of the island. In fact, $400,000 were contracted, or given as a contracted fee to kill these 3 females. If it were not for the interception of that car, this morning we may have seen on the headline 3 females killed in the western part of the island. The females were interviewed by the police, identified and interviewed, and we have put in place the appropriate target hardening against them. We have also made contact with our international partners, including the FBI, to support our investigation. They have actually pledged their support. As a matter of fact, after this interview, I will be having some discussion with representatives from the FBI. And there are other law enforcement officers overseas who have been contacted. This, in my view, represent significant improvement in the way we are doing business as a law enforcement agency. Our intelligence have significantly increased. In fact, I want to make it clear that intelligence is assessed by hit rate. And when we review the hit rate, we have increased it from single digit to double digit, and we are in the high 20s. In fact, strategic intelligence issued by our NIB headquarters, we get an average of 80% hit rates in those intelligence packages. The JCF intend to use all resources available, both scientific, the forensic and other means, to ensure that the perpetrators, including, and if it includes police officers, are brought to justice. I would also like to say that FID will be contacted and will be a part of this investigation, because we intend to ensure that a comprehensive investigation is done, and where assets are identified, the appropriate steps will be taken to ensure that it is forfeited. The investigation involved multi-agencies. CTOC was the lead agent, supported by NIB as well as the P-STEP. The group that we have identified is involved in a series of robberies, contract killings, and murders. There are other matters that are currently being investigated by this group. As we close this year, I want to reassure the public that for 2022, we will be resolute, we will not relent, we are going to be more aggressive against those who continue to perpetrate violent crime. The fact is that we cannot allow these individuals to overrun our society. The team is committed to it, the High Command is committed to it, the JCF is committed to it, and our approach is going to be a little different come 2022, because we are not going to surrender. Every year, we save in excess of 300 lives by proactive means through intelligence products that we have received. And so, contrary to statements that have been made, I believe that there's a significant improvement in our intelligence as well as our investigative capabilities, and daily we are improving. Thank you.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.